Hello, my name is Larry Martin and I'm a solutions consultant with Beyond 20. Today I'm going to show you how to add a tab at the bottom of your incident that will show all of the CIs where the incident customer is the primary user for those CIs. We had a customer ask for this the other day, and it was like, I thought, this would probably be a good video to put out there because we have folks out there who may want similar functionality that may not know how to do that. So we'll show you what we're talking about here. So if you see this incident in the rich client, I've added a tab called Customer CIs. And this tab lists the mail server, the main domain controller, a web server, and then a file server, main files for Andrew Sims. If I change Andrew to someone else, let's say we go to Curtis Parker, notice the list changed and it shows Curtis's desk. The refreshing was going through the different CI types. If we change that to someone else, Marcy, we get Marcy's desktop. I'll go back here. And then again, if we change it back to Andrew, go to Andrew, and we have his 4 types. Now if we'll come over to CMDB, we're not going to save changes to the incident. We'll go all configuration items, and then we'll pick Andrew. And you can see Andrew has 4 CIs, and they're all server config server items. So the relationship appears to be working for us. We're getting the CIs for the different users regardless of CI type. Now how did we do this? Well, I've already set everything up obviously, so we'll just walk you through it. You'd go to an admin client, you'd create a new blueprint, make sure you're on the default view. Major objects, we'll go down to incident, and we're going to have to create a relationship. So I'm going to edit relationships, and the relationship is this instant customer link CIs. You would go add, and then you would create this. I'm just going to edit it. Now for this relationship, I gave it a name, Incident Customer Links CIs. It's a link relationship mini. And our child is configuration item, and we do not have a default group member. And I went ahead and selected when searching incident include CIs in the full text search. Now on our links, we're going to set up a custom link, and it's very simple. That custom link is where the configuration item primary user full name equals the incident customer display name. Now you could go ahead and add some more filtering on here if you wanted to, where CI type equals desktop or laptop or config computer, so that you didn't get servers or other CI types. You might add something like CI asset status is active or not retired, things of that nature. The database is fine as it is. Auditing, we're not really going to do auditing on this relationship. And in the advanced, we want the load immediately and reload relationship when constraint fields change. Save that, then go to your incident tab or form arrangement to add the tab. From here, we just drag the relationship over here. I went ahead and renamed the tab because it'll come over as configuration items, which is not to be confused with the primary CI. And from here, I just called it customer CIs. I left the default. Contents, I used the configuration item grid. You can build a custom grid if you need to. One thing I didn't do and should have done is I didn't remove the delete, link, and unlink. You may or may not want to be able to link a customer to a CI from this relationship, so just remember to determine whether you do or not. Group members on the new button, well, that's not going to be relevant because we really should have taken that off. I left all the grids and forms, but to be honest, you probably just want to leave the grid relation or the grid view in this, and then no filters. Anyhow, once you configure that, publish your blueprint, go into your rich client again, you'll have that relationship and be able to see all the CIs for any customer where they are the primary user of those CIs on a tab on your incident form. As always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We produce these videos every week. If you have questions for us, feel free to post those in the channel. Send us an email, tweet at us, and someone will respond and/or we'll post a video with an answer.